Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the source device has an Ethernet port and active internet. Once confirmed, connect a Cat5e or Cat6 cable to the port. Next, make sure Link/Activity LEDs light to verify the physical connection. On Windows or Mac OS, open Network Settings and enable Internet connection sharing or create a network bridge. On Linux, prepare iptables/nf tables rules. Do this now so the host can forward traffic. Don't delay the sharing configuration step. Once the physical link is ready, assign a static IP to the client-facing interface or enable built-in DHCP so downstream devices receive addresses. Then enable IP forwarding on the host, FlipNet. IP4, IP forward to one on Linux, or turn on routing and system settings for other OSes. After that, apply NAT rules, use iptables or NF tables to masquerade outgoing traffic, or configure the router's NAT table. Make sure firewall rules permit DNS and web ports so clients can resolve and reach sites. Finish by testing a client device. Ping 8 to verify IP route, then ping a domain to confirm DNS. If the ping to IP works but domain fails, focus on DNS settings, point clients to a valid resolver or forward DNS on the host. If no connectivity at all, check gateway IP, NAT translation entries, and that forwarding is still active. Finally, reboot the host network interfaces or restart the sharing service. If problems persist, inspect firewall logs for dropped packets as your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.